How can we earn more crypto on Bybit? Let me show you. The way that make money on Bybit is actually called launchpool. So launchpool not always have is a collaboration. When you stake your crypto, for example USDT, or even though you can buy USDY or MUSD, which is the token, or even though ONDO, the token is already launched. But we will highly recommend to get USDT, you know, those $1 pegged to $1, it will be better. That's why you can see that the risk is lesser, the APR is lesser as well. Can you see that? So what we do is we just take amount. So I will just do some sample, $50, or minimum stake, so we put $100. Then we just put I read and agree, and we just stake. Because while staking, right, you're actually able to earn the token that provided by there. And end of the day, right, you only spend 100 USDT and did not waste any risk, and you stay able to earn ONDO token. Time is on January 18 until 1st of February. So well, this is the way how you earn extra by holding your amount and funds on the exchange on Bybit. Sign up Bybit and join us.